Discover the top 5 toaster ovens that will revolutionize your kitchen game. From sleek designs to versatile functions, these models promise to elevate your cooking experience. Dive in and find your perfect match. Number 1. Toshiba AC25 SU SS Convection Toaster Oven. The Toshiba AC25 SU SS Convection Toaster Oven is a versatile powerhouse for any kitchen. With its sleek stainless steel finish and compact design, it fits perfectly on your countertop, making it both functional and aesthetically pleasing. This oven offers 10 cooking functions, including toast, bake, broil, and even a rotisserie option, catering to all your culinary needs. Powered by 1500W, it ensures fast and even cooking, while the adjustable temperature range from 150 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit allows for precision. The spacious interior accommodates up to 6 slices of bread, a 12-inch pizza, or even a 4-pound chicken, making it ideal for family meals. It comes with essential accessories like a crumb tray, rotisserie kit, and baking rack. Users praise its intuitive manual knob control and high-contrast LCD display for easy adjustments. While some note a slight shelf stability issue, its overall performance and build quality remain highly rated. Backed by a 1-year warranty and lifetime support, the Toshiba AC25 SU SS is a reliable addition to any home. Number 2. Breville Smart Oven Pro BOV845BSS. The Breville Smart Oven Pro BOV845BSS is a game changer for anyone seeking a versatile and efficient countertop cooking solution. With its sleek brushed stainless steel design, this high-performance toaster oven boasts the Element IQ system, using 5 independent quartz elements to deliver perfect results every time. Its fast 1800-watt preheat and convection cooking reduces cooking time by up to 30%, making it ideal for busy households. This oven offers 10 cooking functions, including toast, bake, broil, and slow cook, allowing you to easily prepare a wide range of dishes. The slow cook function is perfect for developing rich, complex flavors over long cook times. The user-friendly LCD display and interior oven light enhance the cooking experience, while the included accessories like the enamel baking pan and non-stick pizza pan add versatility. Customers rave about its performance, with one user, CJ, declaring it a lifesaver in their kitchen. With a 1-year warranty and top customer reviews, the Breville Smart Oven Pro is a must-have for any modern kitchen. Number 3. Oster Convection Oven. The Oster Convection Oven, with its sleek stainless steel design and innovative French door style, is a versatile addition to any kitchen. This 8-in-1 oven offers a range of cooking modes, including baking, toasting, broiling, and defrosting. The touch control panel makes setting precise cooking times and temperatures a breeze, while the turbo convection technology ensures faster, even cooking. This countertop oven boasts a spacious interior that accommodates 2 16-inch pizzas, providing maximum cooking flexibility with its 2 racks. Its 90-minute timer with an automatic shut-off feature adds an extra layer of safety. Customers love its performance in baking pastries, pizzas, and roasts, noting the digital temperature control's accuracy. Although broiling might require some adjustments, the oven's overall efficiency and ease of use make it a favorite. For those with limited space, the Oster Convection Oven is a reliable and affordable solution for diverse cooking needs. Number 4. Cuisinart Air Fryer and Convection Toaster Oven. The Cuisinart Air Fryer and Convection Toaster Oven, TOA 70, is a versatile addition to any kitchen. Its sleek stainless steel design not only looks great but also fits perfectly on your countertop, thanks to its compact size. This 1800-watt powerhouse combines 8 cooking functions, including air frying, baking, and broiling, with a temperature range of up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It efficiently toasts 6 slices of bread, air fries 3 pounds of chicken wings, and even bakes a 12-inch pizza. The intuitive controls, adjustable temperature dial, and 60-minute timer make cooking effortless. Equipped with an oven light, rack, baking pan, air fry basket, and grill, it ensures easy cleanup with its non-stick interior. Customers rave about its quick heating and user-friendly controls, awarding it a 4.5-star rating. Ranked number 1 in convection ovens, the Cuisinart TOA 70 is a must-have for those seeking efficiency and convenience in their cooking routine. Upgrade your kitchen today. Number 5, NuWave Bravo Convection Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo. The NuWave Bravo Convection Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo is a game changer for kitchen enthusiasts. With its sleek stainless steel design, this 30QT oven offers versatility with 112 presets, including air frying, baking, and roasting. Its multi-layer cooking capabilities, with 4 rack positions and heavy-duty racks, make preparing large family meals a breeze. The intuitive digital controls allow precise temperature adjustments from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, while the integrated smart thermometer ensures your food reaches the perfect doneness. The unique linear thermal technology maintains consistent temperatures, and dual heat zones enable customizable top and bottom heating for dishes like pizza. Users rave about its even cooking performance and ease of use, though some mention a slight learning curve. Overall, the NuWave Bravo combines advanced technology and user-friendly features, making it a top choice for anyone looking to elevate their cooking experience. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.